All right, so let me load up some more bolts in the speed loader. I got this in the focus. So 1, 2, 6. Number 7. So put it on top. You pull back. They drop in. It's loaded. You lock it in. And that's how you load it. All right. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna shoot a couple shots, then I'm gonna point it at the target. Alright. 264. Alright, so let's aim it at the target. Come on, line up. There we go, in frame. All right. Well, we shot the first one from 19 yards away. I want to say I got this scope on here zeroed in, but the feathers aren't straight. So I think that plays a factor when the feathers on the bolts are crooked or not straight. It won't fly straight, but it's close enough. I know I can kill that rabbit or that javelina. And then if somebody knows the calculation, that's 267. The bolts weigh 19 grams. So if I'm flying at 267 feet per second, that was 270. That was all 7 arrows. And the bolts weigh 19 grams. What's the joules? What's the foot-pounds of pressure that this is hitting the target? So look at this shot group. Like I said, the feathers weren't straight. But look at that. That is that's 2 inches. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 inches. So that's 3. All those is 2 inches. But you see how all my feathers are all screwed up here? You see this? So, and this bag, this is a no limit feet per second bag. It's supposed to stop 400 or 500 feet per second arrows. But you see, these arrows is going in all the way to the dang feathers. And the bolts are only 7.5, we'll say 8 inches long. So, but there you have it. This is my little homemade indoor range for the adder. Oh, so also I got the Monstrum 3X red dot. This is red and green dot sight on here. I don't know. Oh, and I got the blue laser on the front. I don't know if you can see that down there, downrange. Here, let me zoom in and show you this, whoops, let me back it up. This little blue laser I got on the front. Back here, let's zoom in. Let's see if the blue laser show up on camera. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see it on there. So that's my blue laser. So I got the blue laser from when I'm shooting from the hip. And then if I'm looking down through the scope, it's red and green red dot. So yeah, this thing is a lot of fun. But what I'm waiting for is the Venom Extreme limb to come. I ordered it. That's supposed to be a 190-pound limb to 220 pounds. Oh, also, I have a 230-pound limb I made, but it's too freaking hard to cock when you put it on. Man, you must need 200 pounds of pressure to cock the thing. So I'm going to try this new limb, this new Venom Extreme that's coming in. We'll see how that goes. And also, back here, I got the Fab Defense rear stock. I got this from Bass Pro Shop. And then from Germany, from S&K, I ordered the reinforcement. So this is all reinforced. I got this one, and I got the other bar in here, the reinforcement bar. And I added the bipod foregrip with the 7-shot upgraded magazine version 2, I believe it's called, with the ADDER. So there you have it. Like, comment, and subscribe.